In 1978, a charismatic preacher convinced 900 people to move to a remote jungle in South America. He promised them paradise. Instead, he gave them hell. Jim Jones had been preparing his followers for years. Sleep deprivation, public beatings, fake poison tests to measure their loyalty. He called them White Knights. Jones would gather everyone and make them drink what he claimed was deadly poison. Then he'd watch as families said goodbye to each other. Hours later, he'd reveal it was just a test. But on November 18th, it wasn't a test. Armed guards surrounded the compound as Jones calmly announced it was time to die with dignity. Parents were forced to give cyanide-laced drink to their children first. Audio recordings capture babies screaming as their parents held them down. Those who refused were shot. In less than an hour, 918 people were dead, including 304 children. Jones died from a single gunshot to the head. The man who promised salvation had orchestrated one of history's most horrific mass murders.